So if I were to go around over here and click on view blog, then what happens is that you can see that this is the layout of the blog right here. So what you may want to do is change out the theme for this particular blog as well to change around the look of it. So to do that, you can simply go around onto your dashboard right here, and you can see theme is an option. And if you were to go around and click on theme, then this is what you have. As you can see, you can go around and select out different themes as you like. So you can choose out the theme that you like right here and simply apply it. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and choose, let's say, for example, this theme right here and click on it. And once you do that, I'm going to go around and preview this right here to see how my post would look. And you can immediately see that this is how it would look now. So let me just go around back and then click on apply right here. And what happens is that the new theme is applied. So I can go around over here onto the blog, and if I were to go around and refresh this, then the new theme is applied, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around and select out any other theme right here, click on it and click on apply over here, and the new theme is applied. And if I were to go around and refresh this, then you can see that new theme is applied as I chose as well. And that is how you can simply go around and change out the theme as you like for Blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.